going to learn social lesson 2 towards history. Today we are going to learn about the Stone Age, the nature of human evaluation, the human nomadic life. First we will see Stone Age. You can see the picture here, stone weapons. The Stone Age is the period in which stones were used as weapons. Nature of human evaluations. The early humans lived in jungles along with animals. You can see the picture here. They use stone tools to protect themselves and drive away from animals, dig out roots, shoots. At first, dog was the first companion for them. Wild animals ran away when dogs barked. Dog was the first pet animal. They took it wherever they went. Later they started rearing cattle and were very useful for them to observe the grains along the riverside. They found the grains grow with the help of sunshine and rainfall. They learned the art of cultivation. Humans noticed forest fire. They also observed the spark come out from the scratching two stones together. You can see there, since they ate cooked food. Nomadic life. Nomadic life, early humans did not know to grow crops. The kind of life was called nomadic life. They wore skins of animals, leaves and barks of trees to cover their body. They lived in the caves and holes of big trees. You can see the caves here, how they hide and sit inside. This is the cave. Stones were sharpened as tools for them. These sharp tools were used to hunt animals. They have in their hand, you can see the tools. They used bones, horns, stones, skin, branches of trees and sticks as their tools and weapons. This stage of development in history was called New Stone Age and Neolithic Age. You can see the picture here, Paleolithic Age. You can see the picture here, how they are walking. Mesolithic age. You can see the picture here, how the middle stone age, how they lived. Paleolithic age in the old stone age period. Mesolithic age, middle stone age period. Neolithic age, the new stone age period. By the time they have the small cut and they have bullock, they have, you can see the picture here. Now, stone wheels. Stone wheels, you can see here the stone wheels. Humans observed them. This wheel was invented in the beginning. It was made of stone and later by wood. Wheel is the first scientific invention of man. This period, which was written documents, are called historical period. These documents help us to know about the lifestyles of the people, events, food habits, culture, art, architecture, literature and so on. First we will see the pottery. You can see the picture here, how the man is making pottery. Pottery was also one of the greatest inventions by humans. Stone Age people made all the household artifacts by themselves. Stone houses were built. Next their agriculture. Agriculture, you can see the picture here, was an important activity in the history of humans. They found it to live along the river as the crops to grow well. Next here, next picture you can see here, progress in man's life. Man to family, family to society, society to community and community to administration. You can see the picture here. They were burial pots called urns in which the dead bodies were placed and buried under the ground. In the olden days, they used to like a pot they make inside only, they'll keep the dead body. Chalcolithic age, the new stone age, copper was invented. In this age, both stone and copper were used. This period was called Chalcolithic age. Bronze also produced when copper, zinc and tin were mixed together. The period when people made tools from bronze was called Bronze Age. Iron Age. Humans discovered iron and started using iron tools and weapons. This age was called Iron Age. In this age, household articles, the agricultural tools were made of iron. Next, archaeological excavations, coins, potsherds, metals, objects, and so on are dug out from the archaeological sites. Such objects are preserved in the museum in Tamil Nadu, Adichanallur, Arikkamedu, and Keeladi are such sites where the objects used by the people are past and excelled. Now also the people are inventing the things in the Keeladi. You can, it comes in the TV news. You can see the picture. What are the things they are collecting now? The new one. Still research is going on in these sites. If you come across any old traditional objects of historical value, try to collect and preserve them. Scripts inscribed about the king's rule, people's wares, the society on rocks and walls are called inscriptions. Usually they are found on temple and walls. Okay children, we will see in the next class. Read the lesson thoroughly and learn the new words. Here three meanings are here. Artifacts, articles made by humans. Excavate means dig out. Potsherds and broken pottery fragments.